Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Usman. I bought the Samsung Galaxy A72, A52 and the A32 more than 1 month ago. So after using them and testing them, I decided to make a video that which one you should buy from these phones. So for that, let's begin the video. I'm going to start with the camera first. Although the Galaxy A32 and the Galaxy A52 and the A72 have the same main camera sensor, but in reality there is a great amount of difference in the quality between the Galaxy A32 and its big brothers A52 and the A72. So here is the first photo in the wide. On zooming you will get the idea of the photo quality and the colors. At first glance you will get the huge difference between the Galaxy A32 and its big brothers. Galaxy A32 providing more brightness and less saturation with less details, while the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72 providing more balanced saturation with good details. And you will get less difference between the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72 because I already compared their cameras and I know this. And in the ultra wide shot, in which you will again see the same difference. On the Galaxy A32, details are not good and colors are not so impressive, while the Galaxy A52 and the A72 providing more sharp photos in ultra wide with good colors and saturation. So no doubt Samsung provided great ultra wide cameras in the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And here is another ultra wide shot from which you can notice the difference of quality and the colors. Dynamic range is more better on the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And here are the portrait shots. Edge detection is good on all the phones, but again details and colors are more better on the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And here you can observe the same thing in another shot. And here are the few shots in the low light, all these phones providing best edge detection in the low light also. But my winners in portrait shots are the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72 due to the better colors and saturation. And you will also notice big difference in the quality of the night mode. The photos of the Galaxy A52 and the A72 are more brighter than the Galaxy A32. And the Galaxy A32 and the A52 have night mode in the ultra wide, but it's not available on the Galaxy A72. And the Galaxy A32 cannot record videos in 4K. So first I am sharing samples of 1080p at 30 fps of all the phones. Video quality of the Galaxy A52 and the A72 is lot better than the Galaxy A32, both providing good colors and focus, while the Galaxy A32 losing the focus during the movement of the flower. And while recording with the Galaxy A52 and the A72, you can switch between ultra wide without interrupting the recording, and you can also zoom during recording, and this thing is not available on the Galaxy A32. And the Galaxy A32 also not providing us 60 fps on 1080p, only 720p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps available. And here is the 4K at 30 fps samples of the Galaxy A52 and the A72, which are really impressive, good quality with great colors. And here are the selfies. I observed that the Samsung Galaxy A32 providing more yellowish color tone on the front camera while its big brothers providing more natural colors. And we have ultra wide available on the front camera on all these phones, which is good for the Galaxy A32. The Galaxy A32 selfie is not so bad, just the difference of colors. And here is the portrait mode. Edge detection on the front camera of these phones are also impressive. Let's take a look on selfies in low light. In low light, the Samsung Galaxy A52 and the A72 providing more better selfies with good colors than the Galaxy A32. And here are the macro shots. Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72 definitely providing more better macro shots than the Galaxy A32. Here is another sample. Galaxy A52 and the A72 working good in their price range in the macro shots. And here is the difference of the telephoto 3x zoom of the Galaxy A72 and the Galaxy A52 3x zoom. Telephoto of the Galaxy A72 working good, providing more details and colors on more zooming than the Galaxy A52. But I think more price of the Galaxy A72 is not justifying for only one lens. So if you don't need zoom shots, then the Galaxy A52 and the A72 have almost same cameras, and I will prefer to take the Galaxy A52 instead of the Galaxy A72. So winner in the camera is the Galaxy A52. And in the performance, the Galaxy A32 has Helio G80 chipset which is built on the 12nm process, while its big brothers have Snapdragon 720G which is built on the 8nm process. So definitely there is a lot of difference in the performance between the Galaxy A32 and its big brothers. And here are the Antutu benchmarks which also throw light on what I am saying. And here I tested the PUBG. Galaxy A52 and the A72 loaded the PUBG first. And although we can play PUBG on the same graphics settings on these phones, but the gameplay is more smooth on the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And when I tested the Asphalt 9, Galaxy A52 loaded the Asphalt 9 first and then the Galaxy A72 and at the end Galaxy A32. Multitasking is also good on all these phones but more impressive on the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And another difference is on the YouTube application. We can watch videos in 4K on the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy A72, while on the Galaxy A32 we can only jump to the 2K. So in the performance, winners are the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And one thing more that you can notice here, that the Galaxy A52 providing more bright display than the Galaxy A72 on high brightness. Although these phones have 800 nits, but display of the Galaxy A52 is more brighter. And even they have Super AMOLED display, but the Galaxy A52 providing more better display with more crispy colors and brightness. So in display, the winner is the Galaxy A52. And these phones have 90Hz display, which is really good, but the Galaxy A52 and the A72 are more smooth than the Galaxy A32. Maybe that's due to the chipset. The Galaxy A32 still have old Infinity U display than the Infinity O display with more bezels on top than its big brothers. And there is nothing new about the frame of these phones except that the big brothers have SIM tray on the top while the Galaxy A32 has on the left side. And on the Galaxy A32 you can enjoy dual SIM functionality with external storage at the same time, while there is hybrid affair on the Galaxy A52 and the A72. And right side of these phones have volume rockers and the power buttons, and on the bottom there are speakers, USB-C ports, mics and the headphone jacks. And no doubt the Galaxy A32 has more sexy back design than its big brothers, a new and unique design in Samsung A series phones. Its back is plastic but gives touch of class until you hold it in the hand. A new touch to the camera layout, Samsung provided separate island to each cameras. But question is that, is it worthy to pick good design only by ignoring display, performance and camera? I don't think so. On the other hand, the big brothers have same design and body build, and seriously, this design is also competitive in this price range. No glossy touch and no bouncing colors, but still this design looks more mature and premium. Camera bump is blended into the rest of the design, and the Galaxy A72 and the A52 are IP67 water and the dust resistant. I already did the water test and they easily survived. And when I did the speaker test, the results were the Galaxy A32 had 93 decibel max and the Galaxy A52 had 90 decibel and the Galaxy A72 had 92 decibel. So overall winner in the design is the Galaxy A52 because it's a little bit small than the Galaxy A72 and have less weight. On the other hand, the Galaxy A72 feels heavy in the hand and due to its big size, it's not easy to operate. So the best phone from these is the Samsung Galaxy A52. Like the Galaxy A51 was the king in the mid-range last year, this year Samsung Galaxy A52 will be the best choice. And I don't think it's worthy to go for the Galaxy A72 for just one telephoto lens. If you don't need telephoto, then the Galaxy A52 is best and you can also save few bucks also. In my region, Galaxy A52 is already out of stock due to high demand. What's the situation in your region? Please let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Signing off.